Hello students. I hope you are already starting to follow videos. Thanks for your initiative. Today have a moral story. This is a very interesting story. As usual, after the end of the story, we'll have some questions. Solve it and write your answer in the comment section. Now let's start. Title: The Magic Crayon. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was known for his vivid imagination. He loved to draw and create colorful pictures with his crayons. One day, while Sam was playing in the park, he noticed an old man sitting on a bench. The man looked sad, so Sam decided to go over and say hello. The old man smiled at Sam and began to talk. The old man explained that he used to be an artist but had lost his inspiration to create beautiful paintings. He felt like his creativity had disappeared and he didn't know how to bring it back. Sam listened carefully and then he had an idea. He reached into his pocket and pulled out a crayon. But this was no ordinary crayon, it was a magic crayon that his grandmother had given him. Sam handed the crayon to the old man and said, "This magic crayon can help you find your inspiration again. Just draw whatever comes to your heart and you'll see the magic happen." The old man was skeptical but willing to give it a try. He took the crayon and a piece of paper and began to draw. At first, he drew simple shapes and lines, but as he continued, his hand moved with more confidence and his drawing started to take shape. To everyone's amazement, the drawing on the paper came to life. A beautiful butterfly with vibrant colors fluttered out of the page and danced in the air. The old man's eyes filled with wonder and joy. Sam smiled and said, "You see, the magic crayon helped you find your inspiration again. Just believe in yourself and let your imagination flow." From that day on, the old man became a famous artist, creating incredible paintings that captured the beauty of the world. He thanked Sam for giving him the magic crayon and teaching him to believe in himself. And as for Sam, he continued to spread kindness and inspire others with his magical crayon, showing them that sometimes all you need is a little belief in yourself to create something truly amazing. And so, in that small town, the power of imagination and belief brought happiness and creativity to the lives of many. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that believing in ourselves and having confidence in our abilities can help us find inspiration and achieve great things. Here are 10 short questions based on the story The Magic Crayon. 1. Who is the main character of the story? 2. What does Sam love to do? 3. What did Sam give to the old man? 4. Why was the old man feeling sad? 5. What happened when the old man used the magic crayon to draw? 6. What came to life in the old man's drawing? 7. What lesson did Sam teach the old man? 8. How did the old man's life change after using the magic crayon? 9. What did the old man create with his newfound inspiration? 10. What was the magical quality of the crayon in the story?